A well-executed installation of structured cabling is key to the success of your business. It can be the difference between a smoothly running operation and one that is constantly plagued with problems. In this episode, we will discuss 7 steps that will help you ensure a perfect installation of your structured cabling system. Step 1. Plan ahead. The installation of a structured cabling system is not a small task. It takes time, effort, and expertise to do it right. That's why it's important to plan ahead. Make sure you have a clear idea of what your needs are and what the final product should look like. This will help ensure that the installation process goes as smoothly as possible. Step 2. Choose the right equipment. Not all structured cabling systems are created equal. It's important to choose the right equipment for your specific needs. Talk to a professional about what would be best for your business and make sure you get a system that can grow with your company. Step 3. Install the cabling properly. One of the most important steps in a successful installation is installing the cabling properly. This means using the correct type of cable, routing it correctly, and securing it properly. Step 4. Label everything. It's important to label everything in a structured cabling installation, from the cables themselves to the patch panels and switches. This will make troubleshooting much easier down the road if there are any problems with the system. Step 5. Test the cables. One of the most important steps in any installation is testing, and the same is true for a structured cabling installation. Make sure you test everything thoroughly, from the cables to the switches and routers. This will help ensure that the system is working properly and that there are no problems. Step 6. Protect the cables. It's important to protect the cables in a structured cabling installation. This means using cable ties and clips to keep them neat and organized, as well as shielding them from potential damage. Step 7. Keep everything neat and organized. Finally, make sure you keep everything neat and organized once the installation is complete. This will help ensure that the system continues to run smoothly for years to come. We hope these steps will help you have a successful installation of your structured cabling system. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us houseofit. Visit our website https://houseofit.ph/